No, slick back.
That's what I said. Slick back.
No, nigga, I'm a pimp named Slick Back. Pimp named Slick Back. Pimp named
Slick back.
Nigga, are you deaf? I'm a pimp named Slick.
Hello, my name is Novita Rizka Brobarus. I'm from Indonesian Language and Education Program. Now I want to tell you about my material. It's about podcast. The first material is about definition of podcast. Podcast is a digital audio file made available on the internet for downloading to computer or mobile device. Typically available as a series, new installment for which can be received by subscribers automatically. The second material, it's about types of podcasts. There are 8 types of podcasts. First, interview podcast. The interview podcast format usually involves 1 or 2 hosts who speak with 1 or more guests each episode. Second, conversational podcast. In this format, 2 podcast hosts have entertainment conversation about specific themes and topics. Third, monologue podcast. Monologue podcast or solo podcast feature a single host who speaks for the entire of its episode. Fourth, storytelling or investigative podcast. Podcast listener and investigative podcast for their immersive experience. Fifth, roundtable podcast. Roundtable podcast or panel shows involve a coincidence or rotating group of hosts who provide commentary and conversation around specific topics. 6. Theatrical podcast. The fiction podcast or narrative podcast has been a growing trend for years. 7. Repurpose content podcast. The process of repurposing existing content provides several benefits, boosting audience engagement to serving different needs along the sales funnel. 8. Hybrid function podcasts are a highly flexible medium. Last material, it's about podcast function. Podcast function is formulating arguments, providing evidence, illustrating points, developing empathy, and giving listeners space to think. That's all the material I can convey. Thank you everyone. Bye.
Thank you.